Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video I will show you, as well as tell you how you can quickly and easily save photos and videos from Instagram to yourself in galleries. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write comments with yours. And also please subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started. Now I'm going to show you everything step by step. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app on your device. After that, you need to go to your page. On the top right, tap on the three bars to go to Settings and Activity. Swipe down to the bottom, and you will be interested in the Save and Download option. So please click on that and make sure that you have all of those options active. If not, then please enable them all by clicking on the buttons. Now you go to the back, go to Media Quality here, and you will need to enable Optimal Media Quality here. For that, please click on the second option. This way, friends, all the photos and videos that you will upload, they will not be of low or very high quality, but of optimal quality so that you can upload them quickly and easily in the future. This way, you can quickly and easily pave the way for you to save photos and videos from Instagram to your galleries. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Don't forget to put likes, friends, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you soon, friends!